Hi gorgeous, how are you? So I have here the new Sephora Favorites Advent Calendar, and in this one we have 24 doors, 26 products, and also 10 of them are full sizes. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm posting videos every week, and the packaging is very similar with last year's, and you can also take all of the boxes out and just use the bigger box. Door number 1 is here. So excited.
What can this be?
Maybe a night cream?
Not even close.
This is adorable. Super cute. So this is the Baby Love palette, eyeshadow palette by Natasha Denona. We are getting these mini palettes almost every year in the Sephora Favorites Advent Calendars. I have 2 more. So you can also find this in a full size with 15 eyeshadows. The price of the mini palettes are $22 and the full size with the 15 eyeshadows $150. Let's swatch these. I don't have any full size. Oh my god, what is this eyeshadow? It is super creamy. Oh, I didn't take a lot of it, of the matte eyeshadows. Just a sec. Even though we have 3 eyeshadows, you can still do a few eye looks. We have started very well. Now let's go to the door number 2. This one also sounds like a skincare product. I'm gonna say a serum. Ta-da! It's not. And this is the Oat Cleansing Balm by the brand The Inky List. And with this one you can remove makeup and also clean sensitive skin. This one contains 50 milliliters. I'm guessing that it is a full size. Let's go to door number 3 now. I'm gonna say a night cream again. It's gonna be a mascara. Okay, it's a makeup product. This one is by NARS. It is the blush in the shade Orgasm. This one is definitely a mini. Yeah, it doesn't even have a mirror, and this is a very popular blush by NARS. I wish that we had a different shade because in every advent calendar they always have this one. And door number 4 now. Ooh, it's heavier. I think this one is gonna be a perfume, a mini perfume.
Not even close.
This is the nail polish by the brand Dark Pansy in the shade green. It's not green. No, the shade is Dark Pansy and the brand is Manucuriste Paris. I'm killing the name of the brand. Super elegant. Moving on to door number 5. Okay, these are face masks.
Or eye masks.
I found it. So we have 2 pairs of eye patches. They are both by the brand Patchology.
I can never say the name.
So the first one is this, and it says Serve Chilled Rosé Eye Gel.
Okay.
And the other one is the Serve Chilled On Ice Firming Eye Gels. Both of them are full sizes and also single-use products, so it's nice that we have 2 of them. Now let's go to door number 6. I'm gonna say a night cream again. What is this? It is by the brand RMS. It looks like a lipstick. And we have here the shade Passion Lane. It's not a lipstick, it has a balmy consistency. The packaging is very elegant, and this is a full size. Here we have door number 7. I'm gonna say a mascara.
Alright.
And this one is the Sephora Size Up Immediate Super Sized Volume Mascara in Ultra Black. Let's see the applicator of this one. Ooh. And the packaging is super pretty. Up next, door number 8.
What can it be?
A perfume. I'm right. And this is the Good Girl Carolina Herrera blush. So we also had last year a perfume by this brand. I love it. We have a heel. The packaging is very bougie. Oh my god, it smells so good. This is not the full size. We have 7 milliliters. It's super cute. Door number 9. It's very lightweight. I'm gonna say an eye pencil. No way. I'm right. So this one is a Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Color Pencil in the shade 5 Bronze. Oh, what's happening? We have a sharpener on the other side. And oh no, I lost the tip. Oopsie-doo. Ah, this is a twistable product. Let's see the beautiful shade that we have. It is a bronzy, like olive green shade. This shade is very luxurious. And moving on to the door 10, which is pretty heavy. I think it's gonna be a skincare product and maybe a serum. Oh, we have this gua sha thing. Super aesthetically pleasing. And also another product. This is the Seasonally Mask Peau Neuve. And this is a peeling face mask. Oh, it's so fresh. It reminds me of the summer that's gone now. And the texture is super goopy and satisfying. Then let's go to door number 11. Eye cream. Because when I don't say eye cream, it's gonna be an eye cream. Wrong again. And this one is the Lanolips 101 ointment. It smells like coconut. It's very thick. It doesn't smell so coconutty anymore.
Disappointing.
After that, door 12.
What?
This is by Rare Beauty. It is the Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner. I have never tried it. I'm so happy. I have a brush tip applicator. Oh, and you can take it off. That's super nice. Very thoughtful. Oh, it is already dried. And now I'm gonna take all of the products out because I didn't have space before and I didn't want to have them all over the desk, but
I don't have any other solution.
it doesn't come out. Door number 13 is different than the other boxes.
Okay.
Creamy blush. Done! It's Laneige. I love this lip balm. It is in the scent Berry. Come back. This is a full size. It contains 20 grams. This is the baby with 8 grams of product. Oh, it's so delicious. A very nice natural scent of berries. Even though this is not the full size, you can still use it for a year. Door 14, come to me. What is this? I wanna say a serum. Is it gonna be a serum? Not even close. And this is by the brand Dermalogica. And this is the Daily Milk Foliant. I'm guessing that you just put some of the product on the lid, then a little bit of water, make a paste and use it on the face. No, it says that you can use this on wet hands.
That makes more sense.
Door 15 now. Maybe it is a makeup product? I'm gonna say a lip gloss. It is a makeup product. Not a lip gloss. So this one is the Bene Tint by Benefit and it is a rose tinted lip and cheek stain. I've used this again. It can taint the skin pretty easily, so if you're gonna use it on the face, be fast.
Fast and furious.
It's gonna leave a beautiful color and this one contains 6 milliliters. It smells very nice actually. The packaging is very cute. Door number 16 is heavy. Maybe it is a candle. I'm so excited. It's a candle. I'm right. It smells so good. So this is by the brand Neom Organics London. It is the perfect night sleep with English lavender, sweet basil and jasmine. This one contains 75 grams of product. It doesn't look like a full-size candle, right? Yeah. Door number 17 now. Serum. It's a serum. Or a face oil. Face oil. No. So this is a Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub. We have 40 milliliters. It is obviously not a full size. Oh, it smells very fresh. Now, door 18. Cream blush. Cream blush. It's not a blush. So this is by the brand Drunk Elephant. It is a facial moisturizer. We have 15 milliliters. It is definitely a mini product. Door 19. Liquid lipstick. I found it. This is a cream lip stain by Sephora in the shade 1 Always Red. And we have a beautiful dark red lip color. Door 20. It is something liquidy, like a serum. Alright. So this is a Bioma clarifying serum. And with this one you can boost your skin barrier. And let's see. Ooh, nice packaging. This looks like a full size, am I right? Door 21. Maybe a mini hair product. A shampoo. Because I have no other clues.
Wrong again?
So this one is the Ritual of Mere Loving Body Cream by Rituals. Oh, it smells so good. So far the variety is pretty awesome. Door 22.
What can it be?
I'm gonna say a brush. A hair brush. It's not. And this is a Huda Beauty One Coat Wow mascara. And this is a very new mascara actually. In the shade Very Vanta, which I don't know what it means. What is the Vanta? Maybe it means black? The packaging is super adorable. Door 23 is quite big. Maybe this a palette. Where is this? Another box. In the box. Inception. So this is the Jisoo honey infused hair oil, and the packaging is so cute. I actually like that we have the extra box, and it is honey infused. We're gonna open it immediately. I love honey scented products. You can use this on dry or damp hair. Let's sniff this. Okay, it doesn't smell so much. Door 24. This is exactly the size of the box. Maybe it is another box. And we have a little palette. It is super pretty. It is by Anastasia Beverly Hills and it is the Glam to Go eyeshadow palette. Let's see the color story. We have a nice variety of matte eyeshadows and shimmery. The colors are a little bit moody, not something that I usually have on my eyes. We have a great variety of products and brands in this advent calendar. I really like that. I'm gonna give it 4.5 stars because we have a lot of mini products. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar, and you can watch next this unboxing here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!